sarap ng hangin. Welcome to Puerto Galera. Ang ganda ng paligid. Dapat ilis ng Villa Palacio. Ang ganda pang swimming pool. At ang dagat. Wow. So tara na dito sa Puerto Galera. Murang-mura lang. Manis pa. Ayan. Ganda dito. Welcome to Villa Palacio. Villa Palacio, Puerto Galera. Ganda naman ang aking paligid. Kuya Robin, Kuya Louie, see, there's a pool here. I can go to the pool, I can go also to the beach. And it's very beautiful. Very natural Filipino. It's very cheap also. It's 12 reals per night. Beautiful locations. Kuya Robin, Kuya Louie, o dito na ako sa Puerto Galera.